Excel is a very powerful program that can do much of the dirty work that we ask you to do. For example, in this particular lab, we are wanting to average the times from each of the groups, and we can make Excel do this work for us instead of doing it by hand with our calculator. So I'm going to start off by double-clicking on the particular cell that I want to enter the information into. I will hit equals, and then I can either enter a formula in by hand by either referring to numbers or particular cells, or Excel has a number of built-in functions. So I'm going to start by writing an average, and I see that a formula pops up for an average. I then use a parentheses and highlight the particular cells that I want to take an average of. Put a close parentheses and return. Now I could do that for every single distance that I want to find the time average for, or I can make Excel do the work for me. Again, we're trying to minimize the amount of just busy work that we do. So I click on that cell above that I just worked with, and you'll notice that there's a little small square that pops up in the lower right-hand corner. If I go over top of it, my cursor changes and becomes a cross. I drag this, click on it, and drag down, and it brings all of those formulas with me. To see how I could change this to 2 decimals, refer back to video 1, Formatting Cells.